Reports have been coming in suggesting that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi's monthly talk show Mann Ki Baat this Sunday has been one of the most disliked videos of PM Modi. The Mann Ki Baat of Prime Minister Modi, which is the talk show of PM Modi and aired by All India Radio, Doordarshan as well as large number of private channels, besides streaming on several YouTube channels and Facebook, has been facing criticism on Sunday. Talking about the dislikes, a possible reason cited for huge dislike is the PM's complete silence on students protesting against holding the JEE and NEET entrance test on September 13. While the Supreme Court has dismissed pleas for deferring the test in view of the lockdown and non-availability of transport. However, the Prime Minister made no reference to the ongoing agitation by students and the opposition. Six opposition states of the country have filed a review petition in the Supreme Court, but to this review petition, Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank has cited the fact that most of the admit cards had been downloaded as indicative of examinees being in favor of holding the exams. The students were not impressed by the reason given by the education minister. However, it is evident that thousands of examinees will not be able to appear in the test because buses and trains are not available in various parts of the country due to lockdown, and some examinees are coming from poor background. Because of that, they do not have access to personal vehicle or cannot afford to pay cabs. Supreme Court Justice Arun Mishra, who had dismissed the petition for postponing the exams, was due to retire this week. He had famously said that life must go on. The time he dismissed petition for postponing the examination on Monday was trolled heavily. This is the first time when BJP lead Prime Minister is getting most of the dislikes on social media platform. BJP is often termed as the most advertised party of the world, since its national spokesperson Sambit Patra works day and night to bring BJP as number one most liked party of the country. And now this video is bringing much defame to the party advertisement. However, as per reports searched in, around 98% of the dislikes coming in is from outside of the country and not from India. But the video of the PM of the country getting so much large number of dislikes is a matter of thought process.